Okay, everybody, good afternoon. I'm Randy, and here we go again with another stolen, this time a Hyundai, not a Kia. Take out the switch. Soon we'll take off the airbag. Push in on these little holes right here. Oops. Right there, these little holes. With a straight punch-like object, whatever you got. To take these out right here, these hold the ignition switch on the steering column. I just take a good sharp punch and turn them around a little bit, and then they spin right out. Then put everything back together. Take off this combination switch because they probably damaged that in the process. And just stick it all back together. They should start shooting these car thieves publicly. Just line them up and shoot them. That's just my opinion. Think about if you'd like to have them stealing your car. Yeah, I think the old style of vigilante justice would stop a lot of this. Just catch them and just shoot them. They won't do it again, will they?